How to find an unfinished post on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to locate and access all your draft posts on Facebook for your Android device. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Next, tap on What's on Your Mind at the top of your feed to create a new post. Following that, type something in the text field or add a photo. Now, instead of posting it immediately, tap the back button or X at the top left. A pop-up will appear asking what you want to do with this post. Moving forward, tap on Save as Draft to save your unfinished post. Your post is now saved as a draft. Afterwards, you'll see a notification appear saying Draft Saved. Tap on the notification that says Draft Saved. This will take you directly to your draft section. You'll now see all your unfinished and draft posts listed here. All previously saved drafts will be displayed in this section. Tap on any draft to continue editing it. You can finish writing, add more content, or delete the draft. Once you're ready, tap Post to publish it. Alternatively, if you miss the notification, you can access drafts another way. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This menu is accessible from any tab or page on Facebook. Scroll down and tap on Pages and Profiles, or Your Profile. Look for Drafts option in the menu. Tap on Drafts to view all your saved unfinished posts. You can manage, edit, or delete any draft from here. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you find unfinished posts on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.